Starting my morning with fresh manicure and a bagel that could cure the saddest of days. Look at this little garlic bagel with some, or onion bagel with some scallion cream cheese. This is pure perfection. We're taking a little trip today. Not a far trip. I'm going to Micro Center. Lately, I've been redoing my desk, getting new stuff, new camera gear, so I can make sure that like my films and everything that I want to work on, whether it's at home or outside, is up to par. I need Hollywood quality stuff right now. It's the only stuff I want to work on. Yo, this right here, phenomenal. At this moment, I'm waiting for Crystal to finish up her nails so we can get this show on the road. So at Micro Center, I want to check out two things. I want to check out a mouse, and I want to check out a mouse pad or a desk mat. Because lately, I've been doing a lot of computer work, and I've been doing a lot of like stuff on my desk, and like my pinky be twitching a little bit, and I feel it fatigue. And it's because one, I'm laying at the edge of the tables on my forearms, and also two, because of the way I'm holding the mouse. Like I hold it like this is a tiny mouse. So as soon as Crystal comes out and I finish this breakfast, we gonna get the show going. Let me check up on her. Listen, a New York City winter is not for me. It's not for the weak. And it's not for Crystal either.
Damn, I parked horrible.
You did park kind of horrible. Look at this horrible ass parking. Yo, you on like the line. She said she was gonna park better and she fucking leaves and goes somewhere else. What was that? And now I gotta walk all the way over there. Speaking of cold winters, Crystal has this thing where she parks as far as possible just so that I can walk in the cold, knowing that I have conditions that doesn't allow me to walk in the cold, like severe laziness and what's the other condition?
I don't know your condition.
Me either. One day. Yo, shout out to Anchor. Look at these Hunter x Hunter mouses. I found this on clearance. So this is what I'm going with. I don't need too much. Why are these desk mats so expensive? And we have little
I love this one.
little cat desk mats. And I might do this because I don't need an actual mouse pad. This is not bad. Look, the glorious ones are on sale. $20 for the 2XL, which is fire. But I'm going with this little bodega cat. Look at this little bodega inside of bread. I'll take turns between living in Micro Center and living in B&H. Today is Micro Center's turn. And I can't wait to set up like my desk space and everything the way I want to. I'm actually like moving rooms and I'm gonna have a lot more space. So I'm like getting ready for that so that my production level could be a lot higher while I'm at home. That's the one thing that I do not like doing, shooting videos at home. So if I set up the space the way I want to, then I would do more stuff there. So I'm gonna check out like a desk riser to optimize the space on my desk. That's my next goal. This is the goal. Big ass hard drive, save everything. You know, not for nothing, Micro Center really stepped their game up when it comes to like the content creators and the camera stuff. 'Cause it wasn't like this, but they have like one R50, an R10, a ZV E10 2, and a E10 1, and the 6700. It's the best camera that they got in here. What are they doing? And then a 50 1.8 and an 11 1.8. Actually, an 11 1.8 might be, oh, but that's not full frame. Only the 50 is. Never mind. Also, RIP to Micro Center's gaming section. Like, this used to be full of games and all that, and now it's just remotes that they use for submarines, and that's it. Once again, I'm left with options that I do not like. You want some ginger ale balls? Trying the balls.
Yeah, sure.
If you could put that back, it's crazy.
I didn't mean it like that. I'm sorry.
No. I'm thinking about getting one of the Canon ones because I wanted one to also do live streaming on the side. Because those
Yeah.
they have the utility where you just plug it in.
This one too?
Does it too?
Absolutely.
Like just with a USB cable?
Absolutely.
Yo, hold on.
All you gotta do is turn on one of the features, and you're good to go.
In the settings, or is it like I gotta download
In the
app?
settings, yeah. Enjoy the rest of your day, boss. It's always a good experience in Micro Center, even though finding some things is upsetting. So I couldn't find any desk risers. So that's that. I got a new mouse, and I got my desk mat, and that's about it so far. Parked better. Stop 2 is Staples for the perfect desk setup. I'm just gonna chalk it up and say that Staples 2 has nothing nice. I don't want glass on my shit. Yo, shout out Nimble. Yup. Haven't been, oh shit, completely missed the sign. Yup. Haven't been to Staples in ages and don't have a reason to. Stop slamming your door. Yo, time skip to Ridge Hill real quick, but shout out to Ridge Hill with the big ass TV playing hockey and stuff. When they do that? We made our way to Ridge Hill for the Apple Store, and my search continues for a desk riser or for anything to make my experience on my desk better. But I think I'm chalking it up here because I really can't find anything. I know there's one that I want, but I refuse to spend like the $200 that it is. My search continues, and we're gonna go around circles and find new things to do. We usually just on the way of doing something, we think of something else to do, and that's why normally these vlogs are like, where are they going to next? But I guess that's the good thing about cinema. You never know the direction of the story. So here we are. You know, I like the fact that the beginning of 2025 has been a lot of productive moves. We have yet to go to a bar. We have yet to go to a party. But we have been to B&H and the Apple Store and shit like Staples back to back since the year started, and I appreciate that. We're starting off well. You know, I've been thinking about this, and it's not too bad of a price either, but I do have a PC I completely built, and I don't know, but this would be nice. The black mouse. Why do they do that still?
I wanna call it out everywhere. And I wanna shout it out, you know I don't care. I'm so proud you are my best friend. And I wanna call it out everywhere. And I wanna shout it out, you know I don't care. I'm so proud you are my best friend. And I wanna call it out everywhere. And I wanna shout it out, you know I don't care.
So I didn't get exactly what I wanted, but I think I got, a good start. I think a good start is important. I think the most important thing for filmmaking, in my opinion, is your desk. You want to come home and edit in a space where you feel like you can take over the world. You feel comfortable. And I think I got that. I got some plans. I wanted to get a desk riser for under the monitor. I saw this one online that I really want. It's modular and you can add stuff. But I really don't want to spend like $200 on it. And then usually the small monitor, I have it placed directly under my main monitor. But I'm going to try this monitor to the side thing. I think it makes the desk look cleaner and it gives me more space in the middle of the desk. So I'm excited for where it's at for now. Thank you for watching another vlog, another tornado of a vlog, because it be everywhere. Make sure you like and subscribe, first of all. And second of all, if you follow me on Instagram, every Sunday I do the best everyday carry list. Different items that you take with you everywhere. The first one was my portable charger, the Anker Prime Power Bank. The second one, it'll be a Peak Design wallet, and I have a whole list of things that I personally carry with me every day that I think is the best everyday carry list. And I'll check y'all on the next one. I'm gonna relax here for a little bit. I have to take a nap. And then after that, I gotta edit some videos. Peace, y'all. And I wanna